Hi everyone, it's Prabjeet. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how to quickly and easily create the most graceful monotone look? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this, and beauty of this look is this goes well with any dress or at any occasion. So if you're ready, let's begin. First, clean your face. Here I'm using Neutrogena wipes. You can use any wipe or cleanser. And then using Anastasia face oil, which not only hydrates my skin, rather it gives me shine on my face too. I'll start with my eye makeup first. So let's start with brows. I'm using my favorite brow pencil. This is Benefit Precise My Brow using shade 4.5. I'm just filling this over the sparse area because I don't want this too dark or overwhelming. It should look natural. For sharp eye look today, I'm using these tapes. It's optional. They're easily available at Amazon. Then I'm concealing my eyelid with concealer. Don't forget to set this with compact powder to avoid crease line. Now I'll pull you little closer to me because I'll be working on my eyes now. I'm using Morphe palette and starting up with Move Shade. Lightly applying it all the socket area till I get happy with intensity using the definer brush, and then soften out the edges to give smoky effect. Next, I'm dipping into dark burgundy color to deepen out the outer corner of my eyes until it gives me ombre effect, moving towards light to the dark shade, and apply very close to my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to use shimmer and applying on center of the lid and smudging with my finger smoothly. Now let's start with the base makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna be using the Embryolysys moisturizer to hydrate and moisturize my face, as well as using as a primer. I will spread this out with my fingers on all over my face. Another product which I oftenly use is my favorite corrector palette by Sephora. It has pretty much all the shades that we usually need. I'm going to use orange color corrector in the area where I have uneven skin tone, applying with the shader brush and then quickly spreading out. This will help to neutralize that uneven skin tone actually. And when we do this, it's not going to give you ashy look or not even turn gray when you apply this foundation or concealer over it. Now I'm ready for foundation. I'm gonna be using a MAC NC35 long wear foundation. Going to apply it all over my face with Damn Beauty Blender, and I blend this out all over the face and my neck area. Today I'm not doing any concealing highlighting as I don't want to layer up too much. Need to have very neutral and light look. Now I'm going to lightly set up my entire face with MAC powder with the same beauty blender. You can use any powder that you have. Further, I'm using the Hoola Contour powder to define my jawline and also give fusion of depth to my cheekbones, forehead, nose area. I'll apply all over these areas. Now it's time to add colors using blusher on high points of my cheeks. Then using highlighter to add little light to my face as well. On my lips, today I'll use something nude to balance everything out as I'm creating monotone look. Now to lock my base makeup, my spray choice is All Nighter Setting Spray. I just like the spray because it doesn't split on your face. And finally, I'm here with my completed look. Would love to hear your thought on this look. Comment below and let me know if you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and check out the description for product details and social media link to follow me there too. See you soon with another tutorial soon.